There was a criticism of one who harboured anger with another.
The microwave is sterile, have no doubt. Its buttons don't work and its light is out. I sold my cooker, I feel like a prude, and I've nowhere else to cook my food. Microwave, microwave. The microwave is sterile, it's been cleaned, its plug is bust, or so it seems. My pajamas are off, I'm in the nude, and I've nowhere else to cook my food. Microwave, microwave. Oh, the microwave is sterile, it's got no wire. I'll have to cook my food at the fire. A glass-fronted fire, I suppose, is good, as I've nowhere else to cook my food. Microwave, microwave. Oh yeah, 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 microwave, microwave, my one and only microwave.